My name is Simona and I'm a yoga teacher at ADLER Lodge RITTEN. Today we are going to do a simple meditation to become more aware of our breathing and of our body. This meditation will be accompanied by the gentle sound of Tibetan bells, which will help us enter into a deeper meditative state. For today's session, you can either sit with your legs crossed or in any other comfortable position as long as your back stays straight. Alternatively, you can just lie down with your palms facing upwards. When you're settled in, take a big breath in and close your eyes as you breathe out. Now focus your attention on your body, feeling all the body areas that are touching the mat. Draw your attention to your hands and feet. Try and feel their temperature. Do they feel cold or warm? Now shift your focus to your head area, relaxing it completely. Relax your eyes, allowing them to fall into their natural position. Relax your jaw, and if there's still some tension, you can release it just by opening your mouth slightly. Now draw your attention to your neck and relax it completely before progressing down to your right shoulder, your right arm, your right hand, and your right hand fingers. See if you can feel your fingertips tingling. That is simply your own energy pulsing through them. Now shift your focus to your left shoulder, left arm, left hand, and left hand fingers. Again, feel your own energy pulsing through your fingertips. Shift your focus towards your chest and relax it completely by exhaling deeply and taking a few moments to feel your heartbeat. As you shift your awareness downwards, you'll now become aware of your abdomen and hips. As you relax them completely, imagine all your internal organs relaxing too, from all the work they are constantly doing. Your next focus is on your right leg, right knee, right ankle, right foot, and right foot toes. Relax them completely. Next are the left leg, left knee, left ankle, left foot, and left foot toes. These two are now completely relaxed. Your entire body is now relaxed throughout. With every exhale, you feel yourself plunge deeper and deeper into this state of relaxation. As you exhale, let go of all tensions, all negative thoughts, all physical and emotional toxins, all the burdens you no longer need. Draw out your breath gently and slowly reawaken your body, moving your fingers and toes around a bit. Stretch and extend your body. If you're lying down, roll onto one side and curl up in a fetal position, taking a few breaths. On your next inhale, use a hand to help yourself back to a sitting position with your legs crossed. Bring your hands to Anjali Mudra in front of your heart and take a deep breath in and out. Finally, think of something you are grateful for, a thought that will stay with you throughout the day. On your next inhale, slowly open up your eyes. Thank you.